The top 5 tools you need to start making money online in 2022. Now, for some reason, I have tried a lot of different tools, and I don't know whether to say it's maybe ADD and procrastination and just getting distracted, or to make it sound better for this video, I'm gonna say it's in the name of market research, just to make all of the mistakes for you so that you don't have to, and you can just use the tools that I'm gonna mention in this video and have success straight away instead of the 3 or 4 year struggle that I've gone through. It's a tough life. So tool number 1 is Kartra. So Kartra, and I quote, is the greatest all-in-one platform ever. And honestly, they've done a pretty good job of it. I'm gonna put a list of all the different features that Kartra has, but I host everything on this platform. I actually moved across from ClickFunnels. So in Kartra, I have my email list. So I've got like nearly 10,000, like 9,000 contacts in there, do all my email marketing from Kartra. It also has a place to manage all of your info products, courses, membership platform, different like funnels and like campaigns you can set up, like literally everything. Kartra is just amazing for that. Also, I'm gonna leave the link to all of these tools in the description below, so if you wanna go check them out, then feel free. Number 2 is Sales Navigator. So this is like a near and dear tool, which is very close to my heart. Obviously, if you're an old subscriber and you're just returning here, you know that I've spoken about this a lot. Sales Nav is an amazing prospecting tool and advanced sales tool that a lot of B2B professionals, even some B2C professionals, use to identify, get in front of potential prospects and customers for their business. I've got plenty of tutorials on Sales Nav, so I'm not going to go into it too much in this video, but Sales Nav is one of my favorite prospecting tools. The second one is Lucia. So this is tool number 3. Lucia is a B2B prospecting platform. They have a few different cool tools as well. So I'll either use Sales Navigator or Lucia's inbuilt prospecting tool to create a list of prospects and then uncover their information when it comes to their contact details. So that could be their email or their phone number. There's over 100 million prospects on the Lucia platform, so you can use their prospecting tool directly, and then you can integrate directly into your CRM or even like an Excel spreadsheet if you want to export your lead lists as a CSV, and then you've got loads of people that you can put into the next part of your marketing campaign. Lucia has also been kind enough to sponsor this part of the video, and they are giving away 25 free credits to anybody who signs up using the link below. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and click there. Number 4 is ClickUp. So this is an all-in-one management tool for people, projects, and tasks. I'm going to be honest, me and ClickUp had a little bit of a rocky start with our relationship. It seemed quite technical to get set up, but I promise you that it's worth it. So once you get past that learning curve, it's amazing for setting recurring tasks for either like myself, my team members, just to remind me what I need to do. Also manage all of the information for my clients. So if I'm dealing with like a one-on-one client and it's a project and I want to make sure that I'm tracking my tasks, there's like Kanban styles that you can set up, different calendars that are inbuilt, notifications, all that kind of good stuff. So ClickUp is amazing, and that is number 4. And then number 5 is Zapier. So what would this video be if I gave you all the tools and didn't give you a way to help them all speak to each other? And that's what Zapier does. So it's like the glue that pulls all of these different softwares together and helps them communicate. So you can send information from one software or one app to the other one and help them all kind of flow and work beautifully in a sequence which is just optimized and systemized, which is what we want to have. So they are my 5 top tools that you should be using to make money online in 2022. If you want me to do any more in-depth videos on any of these tools, please let me know down in the comments. Just say which tool you want me to do a full like review or video on, and I'm happy to show you guys how exactly I implement this within my business. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Audio sync. Do you need to subscribe to my channel if you didn't know me?
Probably not.
Oh, okay. We can put that in. That can be the intro to the video.
I don't.
You
I
suck.
don't think I subscribed. I don't subscribe to anyone. I don't think.
I'm already hurt. The damage has been done.
Emotional damage.